Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope everyone must be doing good and staying safe as well. So if you came to my channel for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell down there so that you people will get a notification whenever I posted a video on my channel. So yes guys, today we are going to talk about my most favorite moisturizer, but for applying anything on your skin, you must have to check why you are going to apply those. So before knowing anything about any product, don't use them on your face. Don't take any kind of risk on your skin. So without further ado, any delay, let's start the video. To start anything about moisturizer, like which moisturizer good or which are my favorite, anything, we just have to know why we need a moisturizer for our skin. Use moisturizer in daily basis, like it really need for our skin, or we are just using by following some influencer or some YouTubers or something like that. Okay, so the main motive of applying moisturizer is to help treat your skin whenever you are feeling your skin is drying, and also it helps to fight against acne problems. It does protection from sun as well, and mainly it reduces to calm your sensitive skin problem as well. So in short, moisturizer is nothing else but a cosmetic preparation which is used for moisturizing, protecting or lubricating your skin, and also prevents from any kind of infection and skin conditioning, which is the best part about a moisturizer so far. Yes guys, you can't skip your moisturizer if you want a healthy skin. Like for the skin type you have, you must need a good moisturizer in your daily skincare routine before applying your sunscreen. And if you are thinking now like I will skip moisturizer and I will apply sunscreen and I am good to go, no. You are in a wrong concept. You can't skip your moisturizer at any account. So do apply a good moisturizer before your sunscreen in your daily skincare routine. If you are not following this kind of CTM routine, then just do follow this part in your daily skincare. Okay, one more thing guys, so many girls on Instagram ask me how to get glowing skin, or give us some suggestions that how will get glowing skin. So there is no shortcut for glowing skin. There is no any kind of costly or cheap or any kind of cream outside which will give you the glowing skin. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. You just have to maintain your proper sleep, proper eat, and you have to drink a lot of water. Like you must have checked my IGTVs on Instagram, right? You have seen there that I always give emphasis to drinking lots of water. Like कुछ भी लगा लो फेस पे, कितना भी कॉस्टली ब्रांडेड का आप क्रीम लगा लो, आप कुछ भी लगा लो, मॉइस्चराइजर लगा लो, टोनर लगा, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. If you are not sleeping well, if you are not eating good food, if you are not drinking lots of water in a daily basis, then there is nothing in the world which will going to help you for glowing skin. This is for sure guys. So girls, one more tips I really want to give you, that just sleep properly, eat properly, like eat good food, or add fruits on your breakfast or on your evening as well. So I really don't do this, but I am giving you suggestion. Like I was not that much conscious for my skin as well, but my father always told me, "Bacha, you just drink lots of water, then only you will get a glowing skin." And after that, I am crazily drinking water right now. I want to give the suggestion, anyone outside, just drink lots of water and just avoid junk food, like more oily food. I do eat fast food. You must have checked my story on Instagram, right? I always posted a fast food or restaurant food. I know that, but girls, you have to check that, like what you are eating, and also sleep properly. If you are someone who loves series, movies, it's okay. But if you want glowing skin, you just have to sleep before 12 p.m. So eat properly, sleep properly, and drink lots of water, please. It's really help to get you glowing skin. No moisturizer, no toner, like whatever you will use, they won't help you for sure. So yeah, from today you all, like whatever the CTM routine you are following, like the cleaning, moisturizing, toning, nothing will going to help you. I bet you girls. So just do eat properly, sleep properly, and drink lots of water, and thank me later. Okay, so now after lots of discussion, it's time to show my favorite moisturizer with you all. So yeah, the first moisturizer I am going to talk about is this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizing, and this is for all skin types. And the moisturizer looks like this. I guess everyone have this moisturizer, right? ऐसा कोई है जिसको अभी तक बायोटिक मॉर्निंग नेक्टर के बारे में पता नहीं हो? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द मॉइस्चराइजर. लिटरली दिस मॉइस्चराइजर इज genuinely for all skin types. Whatever the skin type you have, girls, no need to worry about this moisturizer, and I highly recommend you all girls to go and try this out. I guess everyone is using this. Let me tell you more. This is not a cosmetic product. It has therapeutic properties, and if you want a better result by applying this moisturizer, then just do apply serum before using this. Clean your face and then apply this moisturizer in your face and neck as well. Yes, apply it on your neck as well, and then apply a face serum. And the moisturizer just for rupees 199 rupees. But as you know, फ्लिपकार्ट एंड अमेजोन पे ये वाला मॉइस्चराइजर बहुत ही ज्यादा रिजनेबल प्राइस पे मिलता है. सो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट दैट. यू विल गेट इट फॉर रुपीज 150 और 160. बट आई गॉट दिस मॉइस्चराइजर फ्रॉम अ लोकल मार्केट. So I bought it for only 199 rupees. But I always checked this moisturizer is always on sale. As you know, Biotic always giving us discounts. एंड येस, दिस इज माई हाईली रिकमेंडेशन फॉर. मेरा फेवरेट है, इसलिए मैं नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोग ट्राई करो एंड मुझ पर ही अच्छा. ये जेन्युइनली फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स. आई लव दिस मॉइस्चराइजर. एंड टेक्सचर तो आप लोग जानते ही हो. आप देख रहे हो कि मैं कितनी ज्यादा यूज कर चुकी. एंड इसका हाफ खत्म हो चुका है. मेरा बॉटल एकदम ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला है. एंड द टेक्सचर इज लाइक दिस. ओके, लेट मी शो यू द टेक्सचर हियर. And one more thing guys, whenever you are going to apply any cream, anything in your skin, just apply here and then you will apply in your face. Like this. Completely absorb in your skin and you will get a glowing skin. इसको लगाने से ग्लो नहीं आ जाता. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रही हूँ. ऐसा तो हाइलाइटर क्यों है भाई? हाइलाइटर भी तो है ना कि आपको हाई पॉइंट्स को, वो चिक्स को हाईलाइट कर देता है. नो, आप ग्लो स्किन नहीं, बट you will get a difference. Before using your sunscreen, you need a moisturizer, and this one is my recommendation for you all. If you have sensitive skin as well, just go and try this. And if you are not using moisturizer yet, then do start using moisturizer by this moisturizer. Just love this, and this one is must have guys, must have. Okay, now let's talk about the second moisturizer, which is my absolutely favorite, Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer SPF 24, and this is also for all skin types. And the moisturizer looks like this. And this best part about this moisturizer is this is made in India. That's why I just love this a little bit more than all the moisturizer. And the price is 255 rupees. But do check on Amazon and Flipkart. It is available at 180 or 175 rupees. And yes, if you are going to use this moisturizer, then you don't need a serum. It is little bit thick. So if you will skip your serum before using this moisturizer, then it is okay for you. But Biotic के लिए ये applicable नहीं है ये rule. This is just for Lakme Peach Milk. I just love this moisturizer. And after cleaning your face, just apply your toners. Or if you are avoiding toners, then it's okay. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप toner को skip कर दोगे तो आपकी CTM routine में कुछ ज्यादा डिफरेंस. नो, हाँ, इट्स ओके. इट्स हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन योर pH बैलेंस इन योर फेस. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि आप स्किप कर दोगे तो. बट मॉइस्चराइजर मस्ट, टोनर मस्ट नहीं है. इट्स कॉल्ड CTM क्लींजिंग टोनिंग मॉइस्चराइजिंग. बट इफ यू विल स्किप योर टोनर, इट्स कंप्लीटली ओके. ओके, प्राइस तो मैंने बता दिया, सब कुछ तो बता दी. ऑल स्किन टाइप्स के लिए है. सो इफ यू वांट देन यू कैन ट्राई दिस. एंड अफोर्डेबल भी है, 178. एंड इसका छोटा बड़ा जो भी साइज होता है ना, वो बहुत सारे साइजेस में अवेलेबल है. तो आप ट्राई करना चाहते हो तो उसकी इससे भी छोटा आता है तो आप उसको भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. वैसा ही करना. जब भी कुछ नई चीजें आप ट्राई कर रहे हो तो हमेशा मिनी साइज से ट्राई करना. एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ यू आर सेटिस्फाइड ओवर दैट प्रोडक्ट, देन जस्ट गो फॉर द बिगर वन. पहले से ही कोई बोल रहा है उसको सुन के आप एक बड़ा वाला सा ले आओ एंड उसके बाद आप देखोगे क्या. दिस इज अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. So I just want to share my honest review. That doesn't mean I am forcing you to use this particular product whatever I am showing you. No. If you want, then you can order the mini size. I always told na, just do everything in your add to cart. When you will find an offer, then just go and grab it. But if you are that much okay with your purchase, then just go and purchase it. Okay, I just want कि सब लोग एक अच्छी से reasonable price में अगर कुछ product मिल रहा है उन्हें, तो this is the best part. Okay, this is my point of view. I don't know how people will judge me. Yes, बहुत ज्यादा हो गया. Like बाहर की बातें बहुत ज्यादा हो गई and moisturizer की बातें बहुत कम हो गई. So yeah, just go for this moisturizer. But बायोटिक की तरह मैं ये हाईली रिकमेंड नहीं करती हूँ. बहुत अच्छा सा अफोर्डेबल मॉइस्चराइजर है, लाइक कुछ भी साइड इफेक्ट्स नहीं है, फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप्स के लिए है. एंड आफ्टर यूजिंग दिस यू कैन स्किप योर सेरम एज वेल, बट हाईली रिकमेंडेड नहीं है. सो इट्स अप टू यू. ओके, नेक्स्ट मूव टू द नेक्स्ट मॉइस्चराइजर व्हिच आई हैव, और which I can say I am totally obsessed with, and or you can say I am biased with. Like this is the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for non-sticky glowing skin, and the moisturizer looks like this. And this one is just my most favorite product from my skincare. Like whatever the skincare product I have, this one is my favorite. Not for only moisturizer. I don't know why. I guess I suggested more than 20 people on my Instagram to use this. Right, girls? If you are following me, and can you relate me? Like how much time I always send you this picture of my moisturizer, then just go and try this out. Go and try this out. बिकॉज मैंने ये बहुत ज़्यादा एडवर्टाइजमेंट कर चुकी है. आई गेस मुझसे भी ज़्यादा बहुत लोग इसके बारे में बोल चुके हैं. दिस इज जस्ट द बेस्ट इफ यू डोंट वांट अ ऑयली काइंड ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर. लाइक आई एम शोइंग यू द बायोटिक मॉइस्चराइजर हियर ना, लाइक द ऑयली टेक्सचर्स आर देयर इन बायोटिक, बट इफ यू वांट अ मॉइस्चराइजर इन अ जेल बेस्ड और इन वाटर बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर, देन दिस वन इज फॉर यू गर्ल्स. At least give it a try. You will never regret. Can you see the texture? Wow, I can't explain in words. Like this moisturizer is just love, and smell is amazing. And after applying this particular moisturizer, I won't say you will feel a glowing kind of thing in your face, but I must say the softness you are going to feel after using this one is just must have. Go and grab it. Like at least give it a try. Yes, at least give it a try. I must say you will gonna love this. Like the sweating chances were less. Like no creamy सा कुछ भी नहीं है, and the softness, oh my god, I just loved it. And I also suggested my most of the family members to use this, like my sister, my other friends as well. And I got to know about this moisturizer from one of my friend, Suvangi Makeup. Thank you so much for suggesting this one. I always give credit to her because most of my collections are on her recommendations. So I must say thanks to her in this video because they deserve it. And I just loved it. Okay, let me talk about the price. How much? Okay, 299 rupees. बिकॉज ये इसका बड़ा वाला है, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज फॉर 299 रुपीज. इसका एक छोटा वाला था 145 रुपीज में, बट इफ यू विल गेट इट इन योर ऑफर टाइम, देन इट विल cost you around 267 or 250 or something like that. I got it from Nykaa, and something discounts was going on, then I got it for rupees 250. Yeah, as much as I remember, I got it for 250 rupees. And इसका एक छोटा वाला पैकेट भी आता है. आप उसको 145 147 पे आपको अमेजोन पे या फिर फ्लिपकार्ट पे आराम से मिल जाएगा. Go and girls, try this at least for on my recommendation. You'll never gonna regret. So just go and grab it. So now it's time for the second last moisturizer from my most favorite moisturizers is the Sugar Cosmetics Aquaholic Hydrating Stick. You must have seen in my Sugar app information video. And this hydrating stick is just like the moisturizer. As you can see, this one is a proper hydrating stick. And this works totally same as the moisturizer. Like if you are someone who does not want to waste your time to apply it for 30 seconds to 40 seconds, and you don't want to waste your time for a moisturizer, like if you are busy schedule, then just go and try this out. Okay, this one is not the topic. The topic is this one is little bit costly. Like it will cost you around 899 rupees. Yeah, 899 rupees, but this is the new launch, that's why maybe their price is so high. But this moisturizer is love, and as you know, Sugar के products बहुत ही अच्छे होते हैं. like जो skin के लिए उनका foundation concealer whatever they are just amazing. And I just love this from their skincare range. This alcoholic stick is love, guys. And as I told in the Sugar brand or Sugar Up video, go and order this from Sugar Up. Don't go or Nykaa or Amazon for this one. I always suggested you people. So yeah, this alcoholic hydrating stick is just love. If you are someone who does not want to and apply moisturizer by your hand, then go try this out. Like, you have to just take this moisturizer stick or alcoholic hydrating stick and you will apply it all over your face and you are good to go. And after using your sunscreen, you are all set to rock and roll. Okay, so yeah, प्राइस तो बता दिया मैंने, 899 रुपीज है. बट हाँ, मैं मॉइस्चराइजर की फेवरेट्स में इसलिए इसको ऐड की बिकॉज इट वर्क्स लाइक अ मॉइस्चराइजर, लाइक 5 यूज मॉइस्चराइजर टू रिड्यूस द ड्राइनेस ऑफ आवर फेस और टू रिड्यूस द एक्ने प्रॉब्लम. लाइक इफ यू हैव अ सेंसिटिव स्किन गर्ल्स, देन डोंट वरी, यू कैन यूज इट इजिली. एंड देयर इज नो सर्टन रूल फॉर दिस अप्लाइंग फॉर दिस हाइड्रेटिंग स्टिक. ऐसा नहीं कि छोटा सा एक हाइड्रेटिंग स्टिक है, नो. प्राइस के हिसाब से वर्थ इट. कैन यू सी? ओ माय गॉड, this is so big. Okay, you are thinking that no, you are wasting your money on a moisturizer. Then no, it's not like that. And most of the moisturizer I have shown today, like all are budget friendly. It's my highly recommendation, guys. Just go and try this Sugar Cosmetics Aqua Hydrating Stick and you will gonna love this. But yes, if I will tell after Pond's moisturizer my most favorite moisturizer, then this one is my most favorite. And Lakme as well. But yeah, I love this. Like मुझे शुगर के I don't know why, मुझे शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स के प्रोडक्ट पर्सनली बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. So yeah, I just loved it. Go and try this out and thank me later. And let me show you the moisturizing stick. Like हाथ में लगाने से ऐसा कुछ फील तो नहीं होगा, लाइक आप कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं देख पाओगे. बट या ओके, वन मोर थिंग, हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट इट? ओ माय गॉड, let me talk about the best part about the Aqua Hydrating Stick. After applying this, you will feel a refreshing kind of thing. You will feel so fresh. Like it really give you a cool menthol types. ये वैसा वाला एक फील देता है जो कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like whenever I don't have enough mood to go to outside, and I as well as I think I don't want to feel my skin drying, I just apply this. Like this one is love. After washing your face, go and try this Aqua Hydrating Stick. You will feel so fresh. Like फेस वॉश करने के बाद भी आपको ऐसा फील नहीं होगा, आफ्टर जिसको आप उसको लगाने से इतना फील होगा. So yeah, this one is my highly recommendation. You guys go and try this out. Okay, now it's time for the last moisturizer which I'm going to talk about. But unfortunately, I don't have the moisturizer. Like I threw that. But this one is the Mamaearth oil free moisturizer. I highly want to talk about. But yes, if you want to try Mamaearth oil free moisturizer, like वो जो एप्पल का साइन होता है उसमें and for all skin types लिखा होता है and all, I will give a screenshot over here that which moisturizer from Mamaearth I am talking about, and you will get a clear cut idea about the moisturizer. So yeah, that one is for rupees 349 or something like that, as much as I remember. But this moisturizer is just love, guys. If you are sensitive skin, if like me, I am also sensitive and dry skin. Yes, I do have sensitive skin and dry skin as well. बहुत ज़्यादा ही sensitive skin है मेरी. After applying that moisturizer, I really feel that my skin feels so healthy. Like ऐसा नहीं कि मेरा कुछ healthy मतलब आप उस हिसाब से मतलब like मुझे लिटरली बहुत पसंद आया वो मॉइस्चराइजर. बट सो या, जस्ट गो एंड ट्राई Mamaearth moisturizer. That one is after using your face wash, you can skip your serum as well. Yes, if you are using Mamaearth, particularly Mamaearth moisturizer, you can easily skip your face serum. But if you want a good result, then you can use that twice a day, and you will get a good result. जितना भी मैं Mamaearth की आज तक प्रोडक्ट ट्राई की हूँ, मुझे सबसे ज्यादा उनके स्क्रब और मॉइस्चराइजर ही अच्छे लगे. शैम्पू के बारे में तो बात ना ही करूँ तो ही अच्छा है. एंड एक और क्या होता है उनका जो Mamaearth face correcting serum and all. Oh my god, the reviews are just so trending, but I don't know why, just because of my sensitive skin they don't work on me, which is a worst part about my purchase. But yes, but the moisturizer is just amazing. Like हाँ, ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ देखो अभी मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मेरे लिए moisturizer बहुत अच्छा था, तो वैसा भी कोई होगा ना कि वो बोलेगी कि नो moisturizer तो मुझ पर अच्छा काम नहीं दे. so like that. And that one is also for all skin type, so you can easily try that out. If you are thinking of purchasing from Mamaearth, then just this one is my two most highly recommendation product, like scrub and moisturizer. And yes, and also I talk about Good Vibes Day Cream as well from saffron variant. I told you in my Good Vibes part 2 video, right? So yeah, you can try that out too. Like if you are a person who loves mild fragrance moisturizer, and also if you are someone who loves cream type of moisturizer or day cream as well, then that Good Vibes moisturizer is also good. I do have the moisturizer from Good Vibes, but I thought I talk enough about the day cream, so I don't include that in my moisturizer, most favorite moisturizer, because मैं बोल रही थी ना मुझे बहुत स्टिकी स्टिकी सा लगा, तो मेरा फेवरेट नहीं है वो. बट दिस वन इज मस्ट हैव फ्रॉम गुड वाइब्स, लाइक बहुत अच्छा एक डे क्रीम है अफोर्डेबल रेंज में. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ गुड माइल्ड फ्रेग्रेंस मॉइस्चराइजर, go and try that Good Vibes moisturizer. Yeah, well, that all is my most favorite moisturizers. मुझे जो भी moisturizer बहुत अच्छे लगे, I share my honest review with all of you, and I hope this video will helpful for you girls. And बताना कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा. And also please do me a favor by giving a comment that what you guys want to see next in my channel. प्लीज इतना हेल्प कर दो मुझे ये बता के कि आप लोग क्या देखना चाहते हो इस चैनल में नेक्स्ट, ताकि मुझे वीडियो बनाने में और भी आसानी हो कि हाँ चलो मुझे इस बारे में वीडियो बनाना है. लाइक मुझे सब मैं अपनी चॉइसेस में ही वीडियोस बना. तो अगर आप लोग को सजेस्ट करोगे तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगे कि हाँ चलो कुछ लोगों के सजेशंस पे भी मैं वीडियो बनाऊं. दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेस वीडियो. आई होप यू पीपल लाइक द वीडियो, एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल, हिट द लाइक बटन and share as much as you can. Keep supporting me, keep loving me. I love you all guys. See you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye.